First you want to cut along the sides, each end. And then you want to cut along the seam. You're going to be using the plastic as a smooth surface. Then you want to take your molding material, seam side down, and put it inside your tray. You want to keep all the molding material inside the tray and not going over the edges. Use your thumb or palm to spread the molding material to each corner and each edge. Your surface area is going to not be perfectly smooth, but that's okay because most of the area is going to have an impression on it anyway. But the smoother, the better. Do not throw this plastic away because you might use it for later. Sometimes you can flip it over, put it on the back if you're going to do that. Then you can use the plastic still attached. Flip this over and you can press pretty hard and evenly to get a smooth surface. The other thing you can do is use your finger as an eraser. And it'll start to erase some of the wrinkles that you have and smooth them out a little bit.